Hi there guys, welcome back to another quick video. In this one, we are looking at Sanp. Now this is one which we took a look at in a previous video only a few days ago. And of course, I said that if you guys do want to see it, I will make more of an in-depth look at this stock. Now that is absolutely true, I have not forgotten about that guys, I am definitely getting round to it, but with what we have been seeing in price action in the past few days, I really wanted to make a quick update looking at this stock, as it looks like it may be turning itself round in price, and of course I'm giving all of my opinions in this video. So to Camilla, who gave a comment on the last video talking about how she wanted to see a more in-depth video, massive shout out to you, and of course that is coming in a future episode. It's coming as soon as possible, if not sooner, but of course with the price action at the moment, I just wanted to take a minute to reflect on what we have been seeing at this stock in the past few days. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to press that subscribe button, because like I said, we are doing that more in-depth look at this stock in the next few days or weeks. And of course, on top of that, we talk about all different stocks every single day. So now that I have said that though, let us jump quickly into this video. So yeah guys, we have looked at this company previously. This is a penny stock which absolutely does have a lot of potential. It is trading around the 1 cent range, which is quite low. And of course we have been seeing the sell-off from the highs around 3 cent for some time. It initially dropped to about 2 and then it fell even further down to 1. And then we plummeted into the even lower range than that, which Google charts are not picking up at the moment. So we can see that in the past few days we are seeing a little bit of recovery in price. We are now up to the 1 cent range. We're in around 0.011, so we can see we are even higher than we previously were. Now, of course, at the moment, I think this could be indicating a bit of a recovery in share price. I think this one does have potential to keep going forwards. So, of course, talk about entry points, guys. If you are looking to get into this stock, personally, I would not buy it tomorrow, or at least not at market open. I wouldn't be surprised if this one was to see a bit of a decrease in price, and even if it was to increase, I would just wait a day or two, just until we get some confirmation that it actually is going back up. But right now, I think we are getting into a very decent territory if you are looking to buy into Sanp. And of course, like I said, we are going to do a bit more of an in-depth look at this one in the next few days, if not the next few weeks. I'm just trying to, make this one as in-depth as possible, and of course as high quality as possible, and that is the reason why it's taking time. But yeah guys, at the moment this one definitely is moving in a very interesting manner. We are up from the 5th of March around 278% from the lows, and of course up until now we are still up around 173%. So if you'd have bought this one back on the 5th, you would now be up massively. But you know what guys, let's not talk about what has happened, let's talk about what could potentially happen in the future. I think this company does have that potential. I think it doesn't have as much hype around it as some of the other penny stocks. That's not necessarily a bad thing. It still could see a big increase in price. But once again, it is risky. It's very cheap, as you know. And we've seen how quickly the price does fluctuate anyway. So that is something to be aware of. But honestly, if you are looking to buy this one, I think now might not be the worst point that we have been seeing. But like I said, I would leave it a few days just to be sure. And of course, if you are looking to buy this one, in my opinion at least, I think the safest method to go with this one would be the dollar cost averaging strategy, of course allowing us to buy our position over a number of days or weeks rather than all in one go, and of course that would allow us to get the best price for the shares that we are trying to buy. But yeah guys, I just thought it was a very interesting point to be looking at this one. I think if the whole market trend once again is down, we could see the share price of this one falling once more, which would not be the worst thing in the world. So of course, if you do enjoy these short episodes on Sanp and of course other stocks, I will make them, because of course I do want to update you guys on the action of this stock. So perhaps we'll be back looking at Sanp tomorrow. But I just thought I would bring you this quick episode because now we are seeing a bit of recovery in share price today, and the question is, will it continue into next week? Well, we'll have to see in tomorrow's episode what actually happens, and of course we'll be updating you on this one going forwards into the future, giving that more in-depth look in a few days or weeks. So of course, thank you for everybody for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.